This is the Semantic Keywords tool. And for those of you who are not sure, what are semantic keywords? Semantic keywords are otherwise known as LSI keywords or related keywords. They are different than your target keywords. And we use them to help increase your page's relevance scores. And they also help you show up for additional searches in Google. And they also ensure that you have good topic coverage on your page. So they serve a few different functions, but they're a bit different than the target keywords because you can be less aggressive with them. You don't need to put them in as many places as the target keywords. You just need them in the page once or twice. And now, does that mean it's bad if you have them on the page more than once or twice? Not at all. That's totally fine. But once or twice is enough to get the benefits. And I'm just going to jump in now and just walk you through the different sections of this tool. Okay. So the volume here is the monthly search volume in Google. That's how many times people are searching for this term in Google. And we're just using that here because it's a good gauge to see how popular a term is and how much it is used. And on the second column, we have the relevance scores. And these relevance scores are fetched directly from Google's models. Okay. So you can be really confident if a semantic keyword has a high relevance score, we know for sure that Google thinks that it is relevant because it's coming directly from their model. Okay. Now, really, you just need to have a handful of the semantic keywords and just a handful of the entities on the page. And we've tried to make it a bit easy for you by just putting the best ones at the top. So you don't really need to use this, the all semantic keywords section. The only reasons that you might use this section would be if there's a couple of terms in the recommended semantic keywords that you don't want to use and you might want to replace them. And so you can have a look in the all semantic keywords section and you can replace them with keywords that you would prefer to use. And at the top, we have the semantic keywords, and these are just the general semantic keywords. They are very much like, they are composed from they are similar phrases to your main target keyword, but also they are the, constituent and important terms or topics that are related to your target keyword. And then over here, we have the entities, and the entities are the person, places, things, and organizations that are associated with the topic. And so you do need to have the entities in the page as well as the semantic keywords. Like I said, just once or twice. And so when you are generally happy, if you are happy with the keywords that have been recommended on this tool, then you would just click save, and that will automatically save it to your account, and then they will be available in the keyword optimizer where we will put them into the page.